Nike Training Club Fitness Sport Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They think fitness apps are all the same. But Nike Training Club offers expert design workouts, personalized programs, and flexibility for every fitness level. Nike Training Club provides a library of workouts ranging from strength and endurance to yoga and mobility. One standout feature is its personalized training plans, which adapt to your goals, schedule, and progress, keeping you motivated and accountable. Most people assume free apps are limited. The surprising truth is Nike Training Club offers a wide variety of free workouts with professional guidance, video demonstrations, and progress tracking. Premium features add additional plans and nutrition guidance, but the core functionality is strong even without a subscription. Another advantage is accessibility. Workouts require minimal equipment, many can be done at home, and the app tracks progress over time. Integration with Apple Health or Google Fit allows you to consolidate fitness data easily. However, there are some considerations. For highly advanced athletes, the free workouts may not be enough, and premium nutrition features require subscription access. In conclusion, Nike Training Club is ideal for anyone seeking a structured, flexible, and high-quality fitness experience. Its expert workouts, personalization, and accessibility make it a standout fitness app for all levels. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews before starting your next training program.